Apple Watch Series 10. A refined upgrade. Is it worth the upgrade from the Series 9? Apple has unveiled the Apple Watch Series 10, marking a significant step forward in wearable technology. While it doesn't offer groundbreaking new features, it does refine and improve upon what the Series 9 offered. Key differences and improvements. Design. The Series 10 boasts a sleeker, thinner design with larger display options. The 46mm and 42mm case sizes offer more screen real estate compared to the Series 9's 45mm and 41mm options. Additionally, the thinner chassis makes the Series 10 feel more comfortable on the wrist. Display. The wider-angle OLED technology ensures better visibility from various angles, making it easier to read notifications and view content even in bright sunlight. The display is also more power efficient, allowing for a smoother and more responsive user experience. Performance. The S10 chip offers improved performance, though it's not a drastic change. While both the Series 9 and Series 10 can handle everyday tasks with ease, the S10 might provide a slightly smoother experience for demanding apps. Battery. Faster charging and slightly improved battery life. The Series 10's new charging coil allows for faster charging times, so you can spend less time tethered to the charger. While the battery life improvement is marginal, it can make a difference for those who rely heavily on their watch throughout the day. Water resistance. A new depth gauge and water temperature sensor are added for water enthusiasts. These features make the Series 10 a more versatile option for swimmers, snorkelers, and triathletes. Should you upgrade? If you're already satisfied with the Series 9, the Series 10 might not justify a significant upgrade. However, if you prioritize a more refined design, improved display quality, or faster charging, the Series 10 is a worthy choice. Conclusion. The Apple Watch Series 10 is a solid upgrade that builds upon the foundation laid by its predecessor. While it may not be revolutionary, it offers a more refined and feature-rich experience for those seeking the best in wearable technology. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button to follow our channel for more videos like this.